here today with an impressive raised rancher right here in the beautiful city of St. Albans. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It does come with an additional office, a great outdoor space right here under the carport with many renovations. I'm really excited to show you this property on behalf of listing agent Tim Kirkland. Let's check out this property together. And before we begin the home tour, check out this view of all the surrounding trees and nature behind. How often do you find a home like this in city limits right here in the valley? And walking in here to 946 South Walnut Street, you can see it opens up very quickly to a nice hallway, but then right here you get right into this great sitting room. These very impressive fireplaces built in, and you can see how they have it furnished here now. And then also they turned this portion of the living room into a very nice formal dining room area. And then we're kind of going to make a circle here, but we'll go right into the brand new, fully redone kitchen. You can see these solid surface countertops, brand new appliances, and plenty of natural light. And you come back here to this other living room. Be an excellent place for that large screen TV and a nice place to put plenty of furniture for whenever you have a large family or entertaining guests. And coming right here out of the brand new kitchen, they also added a brand new addition. This addition actually brought the laundry from downstairs to upstairs, so it's very convenient right off the carport, and then plenty of extra space for storage, a mudroom, or maybe even section this off and make it a closet for occasional needs. We're here now in the very nice sized master bedroom. There's a very large step-in closet, 2 windows for plenty of natural light, and then I really like how they redid this master bathroom. You can see there's plenty of space. They made good use of the space with the step-in shower, kept the window for natural light, and brand new fixtures right there in the master bath. And here we're in the first of the secondary bedrooms. You can see a lot of natural light throughout the entirety of this house. And this bedroom has a very nice step-in closet that makes for good storage here in the first of the bedrooms. And here in the next secondary bedroom, you can see still plenty of natural light, a good sized closet for a secondary bedroom, and it's conveniently located again on the first floor. And right across from this newly redone full bathroom is a very nice vanity and step-in shower and tub right there on the side. And so now that we're here downstairs, something that we haven't talked about yet, but there's a whole nother very nice theater room, family room, whatever you'd like to make this. Has a very impressive, very wide stone fireplace here again. A nice set of French doors overlooking the patio in the backyard. And then also, this section of the house has been remodeled as well. Basically, you could create a whole nother living room if you wanted to, a man cave or family room. It does have outside access, nice natural light for being downstairs, a coat closet, and then here is actually the 4th bedroom. You can see here it's about the same size as the ones upstairs with the closet behind the camera. And this house also comes with a very nice office room. It does have a closet, but it doesn't have a window, so we don't count it as a bedroom. But either way, it's still a very nice space. It'd be great usage for storage, or of course, like we mentioned, an office. And then also here is a recently redone full bath, very nice vanity, and then actually a custom tile shower here with the shower and tub. And coming in here to the final room here downstairs, you can see this used to be the laundry room, which has since been moved upstairs in the addition, and this would still make for great storage and make great for a home gym, and it still has its own outside access right here off to the side. And stepping outside of the family room here downstairs, you can see there's a very nice little patio here and plenty of privacy surrounding the backyard here, and a nice little bit of space here for children to play or for you to put a swing set and enjoy fireplaces even. out here in the evenings and enjoy all the privacy that surrounds this home here in St. Albans. So you can see this home has a lot of potential, plenty of open space, and many rooms that you could make this home whatever you want it to be. This home would be perfect for any size family or for those who regularly have guests right here in St. Albans on a dead-end street, right here just minutes away from the capital city and surrounded by beautiful locations right here all around the valley. And this house is definitely worth your consideration. And so thank you for taking the time to check out this house here at 946 South Walnut Street here in St. Albans, here with listing agent Tim Kirkland. He's here to work for you and can answer any questions you have. This house has a lot of potential, plenty of open space, and definitely worth checking out. Call us at Lakewood Real Estate Service, listing agent Tim Kirkland, to check out this house and set up a tour for yourself.